first vegetable harvest in the greenhouse this season. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So the first big harvest of the greenhouse this season is not really big, but at least it's something reasonable that we're harvesting in the greenhouse. So we're gonna harvest some vegetables in the greenhouse. So let's go and see what's going on and see what we're harvesting in the greenhouse first thing. So you can see this is bekang over here, sweet bitter leaf. They're all ready to be harvested, and my wife is ready to harvest. Start harvesting it. So you can use your nails like she's doing like that, or you can use a knife. Knife is much better, much faster, and much at least safer for your nails. So she's gonna start harvesting the sweet bitter leaf. So once we harvest the sweet bitter leaf, within a couple of weeks, I'll say maybe 3 weeks, we should be able to harvest again, because all the other small shoots that come up from the bitter leaf are gonna produce more. So we should be able to harvest again, like from going out of from now. It's gonna be like every 3 weeks to a month. We should be able to harvest this sweet bitter leaf or bekang from the greenhouse. So if you haven't seen my garden series yet, check out my garden series. The link is below, where it goes through the gardening process, when we started our seeds to transplanting and now harvesting. So check out this series. It shows you everything that we're doing in the greenhouse. We also have a garden series which shows you everything that's going on in the garden. Check out that. If you're on a different platform, check out my YouTube channel, 7 Savings Garden, for more videos like that. So you can see that we have quite a few containers up here that are ready. These are the first transplants that we did about 3 weeks to a month ago. So we're harvesting them now, and at least gonna give us some nice, delicious organic vegetable, or kaka, as my son calls it. So you can see there's quite a few of them that we're gonna harvest. We also have a few water leaf. I'll show you guys later on, but we also have a few water leaf that we're probably gonna harvest and be able to use that to add to something we already have. So this bekang right here, we use it as a sauce. We make a vegetable dish that we eat regularly, and it's very nice and delicious. So if you guys want to see how she makes it, leave a comment in the description below. If you guys leave a lot of comments, then she might listen to you guys, and she might be able to show you how to make the dish. So leave a comment below if you want to see how they prepare the whole process, where they prepare the bitter leaves, sweet bitter leaves, to the eating stage. And if you're new here, thanks for watching the channel, the video. Make sure you like the video if you like the video so far, and leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. Leave the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. And also don't forget to share if you like something like this. Somebody else, you might know somebody else that like a video, like to watch a video like this. Share the video, and that would also help the channel out.
Good.
Hey, you're here to work?
Whoa.
What is this?
Gaga.
Kaka? Okay, good. That's kaka. You gonna eat kaka?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So you see, even him, he's excited. He calls every vegetable kaka, because we call it bekang, so he calls it kaka. So that's what he calls every vegetable. So hopefully he would learn bit by bit, and very soon he would be able to distinguish the different vegetables that we grow and we eat. And over here in the back, you can see we have a lot of the other bekang that we're gonna harvest over here. And once we harvest all of them, we should be good. I'll show you what we've harvested so far. But this is a good start. At least the first harvest is, it's not gonna be disappointing. We're gonna be able to get some good result from it and be able to get a good quantity. So down here you can see they have a few down here that were also ready. We have 1 or 2 over here. Let me harvest this 1 over 2 over here. That these ones were also ready. You can see what we've harvested so far. It's awesome, and we're still harvesting a few more. We still have a few containers to go. And this one over here, this is the pecan from last year. We brought it inside in our grow tent. If you want to check out that video, I'll see if I can put that video in the description. But we brought it in the winter and saved it because the seeds for this vegetable are hard to find. So we save it so that way we are able to keep and get seedlings from it. It started producing seedlings already. On the sides, I'll show you in a minute. On the sides, it shows it has some seedlings that are already producing flowers. You can see on the left also. So here are the flowers that it has produced. You can see the flowers. This one is still fresh. This one over here is a little bit drier, and this one is completely dry. This is the one that has the seedlings that are ready to be saved for next year. So we save it like this so that we're able to get seedlings for this, and so that by the end of the season we should have enough seedlings for next year. And us cutting this the tip for we just harvested it. We want harvesting more of this like this is gonna spread the heads. The more heads you have, the more of these flowers you're gonna get, and the more seedlings you're gonna get. So hopefully we're gonna get enough seedlings from this container and this other container in the back right here. So we have just 2 containers of this old pecan plants that's gonna be providing us with seedlings. This is the last time we are harvesting the leaves. Going forward from now on, any new heads that come out, we're just gonna let it go, and it's gonna come out with flowers like these, and then give us seedlings like this that we're gonna harvest and save for next growing season. So this one right here is ready. This one right here is ready. When it's dry like that, you can see it's ready to be saved, and you just harvest it, let it dry a little bit more, and then you save it in a nice cool dry area, and then we can use it next year. Okay, this is it after harvesting. You can see what it looks like after harvesting, and same thing over here. You can see after harvesting, you can see what it looks like. And we also harvested water leaf. Let me just show you. We also harvested a little bit of water leaf, not that many of them over here, but it was the first harvest, and we got a handful of water leaf. So so that is it. It's can't wait to get the others going. We still have quite a few other ones that are coming up, and hopefully the next harvest is gonna be much bigger one that's gonna be enough for a full dish for the family. So okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get updated on all upcoming videos. And don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and or you like what you see, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.